to our guest speaker, JO1 Rolf Vincent Agustin, to Sir Alberto Nortes, SDO Aurora Representative, our school principal, Ma'am Joan B. Gutierrez, Doctor of Education, our beloved teachers, parents, visitors, and to my classmates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all of you. Today marks not just another chapter in our lives, but the beginning of something new. I still remember the feeling of anxiety when I first started my high school life here in Canili. I know we all felt nervous and unsure. But then, something unexpected happened. We created memories. Tawanan sa klase, kopyahan, at kaunting bagdagulan. From those moments, we built friendships. In the following years, we learned to be by each other's side. And now, we face a moment that feels both heavy and meaningful, knowing that this might be the last time we sit together as one class in the same room at the same time. It's not perfection, but perspective. It is true. I never thought that pressuring myself this much would bring me to this moment. But if I had to do it all over again, I would. Just to have the chance to stand here and thank the important people in my life in front of everyone. Because I may not deserve this recognition, but my loved ones do. So now, with a grateful heart, allow me to thank the people who made this journey possible. Beyond the classroom, I was also blessed with people who made this journey lighter and brighter. To my friends, thank you for being real and for staying true. You have been my safe place, my laughter, and my strength. You will always have a special place in my heart. To our beloved teachers, thank you for turning simple lessons into meaningful life guidance. You saw potential in us even on days we could not see it in ourselves. And that made all the difference. It was fun to be in your class. We will miss your lessons and sermons. To my coaches in every contest I have attended, thank you for challenging me to grow beyond what I thought I could do. To our class advisor, Ma'am Edgar Joyce U. Lucio, thank you for guiding our class with discipline, strength, and high expectations. You may have been strict and sometimes masungit, but behind that was your deep desire to see every one of us reach this moment. From day one, you gave us one clear goal, that the number of enrollees would be equal to the number of completers. And today, we stand here as proof of your belief in us. Sa aming mga minamahal na magulang, isang taos-pusong pasasalamat po sa inyo. Kayo po ang aming unang guro, unang kaibigan, at unang tagapagtanggol. Ang bawat sakripisyo, bawat pawis at pagod, at bawat luha na inyong tiniis para sa amin ay hinding-hindi po namin malilimutan. Kayo ang dahilan kung bakit kami patuloy na nagsusumikap, nag-aaral at nangangarap. Dahil po sa inyo, nandito tayo ngayon. Kaya naman palakpakan po natin ang ating mga magulang. Above all, my greatest gratitude belongs to my family. Ma, Pa, Lola and Daddy, and my dear siblings, this is all for you. You gave me and my siblings everything we needed, even when life was not easy. You supported our dreams, our passions, and even our childish moments, with nothing but hope, courage, and love in your hearts. Every grade I earn, every step I take, I offer it all to you. This moment is not mine alone, it is yours. We may not be rich financially, but we are rich in love, kindness, guidance, and unwavering support. Ma, Pa, tanda ko pa nung una ko kayong nakilala bilang mga magulang. Bilang anak na malayo sa inyo dahil sa trabaho. Masaya ako noon na makasama kayo. I can us, you guided us, and you made sure we could continue our education. I will never be ashamed to admit that my father is a jeepney driver. Dahil sa sipag at tiyaga ni Papa, nakapagtapos ng kolehiyo ang ate ko. Patuloy na nakakapag-aral ang mga kuya ko at natutustusan ng lahat ng aming pangangailangan. Papa, you're one of the strongest people I know, and I love you for that. And to my mother, our Wonder Woman, my inspiration, my fighter. I know it's not easy, especially as a hard survivor, but you continue to choose to fight every single day for us. Your strength and bravery pushed me to do my best, even when things felt heavy. I hope that in my own way, I have made you proud. I love you so much, Ma'am. To my dear siblings, even though we are far apart, you remain close in my heart. Thank you for being my joy, my motivation, and my constant source of love. Even from a distance, you are part of every success I achieve. And above all, I thank God for guiding me through every step of this journey. For giving me strength when I felt weak, courage when I felt afraid, and hope when things seemed impossible. As it says in Matthew chapter 19, verse 26, with God, all things are possible. Truly, without Him, none of this would have been possible. And every blessing I have received is a testament to His love and guidance. To the class of 2025 to 2026, congratulations. This is not the end, it's only the beginning. Keep dreaming, keep fighting, and never give up. Thank you, and once again, good morning.